Good morning, this is Keith All, and today I'm just going to do another tutorial on how you could put text around an image in Photoshop. I already previously recorded a video on how you can accomplish this same effect using just a slightly different manner. So I'll put a link to that video in the description, and it'll also pop up as a suggested video later on in this video. So let's get started. So I got this image layer open, and I'm going to add some text by selecting the text tool. I'm going to hit enter to accept, or actually click the check mark above here to accept that. Now I'm going to use the move tool to move the text. Now I'm just going to add some like a border around this text. So make sure your text layer is highlighted in the layers panel over here in the lower right. Come down here and click on the FX icon, which is add layer style, and then select stroke. Now it automatically puts a stroke around my text because I previously used this. So you could change the color of your border right here. You can change the thickness of the border by selecting the size. So I'm just going to leave it as that, and I'm going to click OK. Now your next step is you want to duplicate your image layer. So you want to make sure your image layer is selected. Right click on it, click on duplicate layer, and then it just asks you to name it. I'm just going to accept the default, click OK. It duplicated the layer. Now we want to move that layer above your text layer. So make sure you select it, click and drag it, move it above the text layer. Now what you want to do is you want to select the subject within your image where you want the text to hide behind. So using a selection tool, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to just choose the magnetic lasso tool. I'm going to select that, and then you just start selecting your subject. And what the magnetic lasso tool is, it automatically, as you move your cursor around the subject, it will like form to the outline of that subject. So give me a second so I could select this whole thing. It'll be just a second. Let me. There we go. Okay. So we're done. Now we made the selection. Now all we have to do is come up to the layer menu item, select layer mask, and then select reveal selection. And there you have it. So now you could move your text around by coming down over here in the layers panel, select your text layer, use the move tool, and you can position the text any way that you want it. So as you can see, the text appears behind your object, which is the selection that you made with your selection tool. So hopefully this tutorial was very helpful for you today. It gives you just another idea or another way on how you can put text behind an object in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification so you can always be updated when I add a new video. And please like, share, and comment. It helps the community out. and it gives me other ideas on how I can improve my videos, or put a comment in and suggest another way that you can accomplish this, or even suggest another video tutorial. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.